Wow, you're doing Shopee again, Ru.
Yeah, it's a mixer, but there's no black.
I like it. It's a remote. Yeah, I would love a black.
But there's no black, only
What
black.
else did you see?
Nothing. Yeah, there's just...
You're still looking?
Yeah.
Okay, Ru. That's a good thing, Ru. You're doing Shopee, Ru.
How much is this?
Let me see. 287 pesos.
Oh, okay.
Is it a good price?
Yeah.
Oh no, you added it to cart, Ru.
Yeah, I thought it was sold out.
Okay.
But look!
What's that? Ooh, it's like a... I would like a truck, Ru. I don't want a car. How about you?
A car. I want a blue one, like a blue car.
Ooh, it's gonna turn into a robot.
Yeah. How much is it?
270 pesos.
270 pesos?
Yes, 270 pesos.
I ordered card.
You added it to cart again? How about hauler trucks, Ru?
Yeah, but I'm not going to auto cut this because I got it, but now it got destroyed.
Yes, you already have that. We bought that before.
And then it was destroyed.
Yeah, but it was very nice, Ru. That was very nice.
Yeah, but hold
Ooh, hauler trucks. Ooh.
I got already this one.
Yes, I know.
It's in Kampala.
Okay, enjoy shopping, Ru.